Hey, my name's Tom Horner. I'm the Mental Health and Wellness Coordinator supporting students, staff, and families in the Pine Island District. We've got almost $30,000 of grant money toward wellness initiatives in the last 2.5 years. I'm excited to share one of my favorites and give you some tips on how to get in your school. We now make smoothies all the time for our students in middle school and different staff appreciation days. Every single school can take advantage of this opportunity. Pay attention to the Fuel Up to Play 60 grants that come out in the spring to get your smoothie set. Okay, so you have this smoothie kit. What the heck do you do with them? I'm gonna share a few different things that we do. Number one, middle school PBIS Pride Store. So kids who are doing great things have a stamp card, and once they get those filled up, they can purchase different items. Smoothies are now on the menu. It's a great way to embed something healthy into that Pride store. Number two, staff wellness initiatives. I host a January STEP challenge that's put on by the SSC as well. And what we do is we have these little mini incentives and competitions with our building. So the building that averages the most steps on week 2, for example, gets a coffee/smoothie delivery. And number 3, on some of these days like Homecoming Friday and Winter Bash things that are all over the place, you can sell those smoothies, take that money that you had from making the smoothies to put back into staff and student wellness initiatives for the future. We have a mental health and wellness fair coming up in February. Boom, now we can do different things to incentivize the next wellness thing that we have upcoming. Now, 3 important tips if you're looking to get this rolling. Number 1, the kitchen staff are your best friends. Number 2, the custodians should always get the extra smoothies. And number 3, make sure that you find those stellar middle school and high school students that are gonna show up early that morning and help you make them and deliver them. We've had some amazing students, and they also get service hours for the Minnesota Honor Society. Win-win.